Hey guys, finally! Are you ready for exporting your design? With a sketch, it is really easy and fast to export objects and artboards. Let's begin by exporting the entire artboard, which if you want, you can share in the Projects tab on TootPad. So, select the artboard and click on the button on the lower right corner. Make exportable. Then we'll get a preview of what we want to export and some information regarding the size. When X size exports the layer at the actual size it was created, to X at double the size and so on. We can also export our artboard with a prefix or suffix, like at to X, which is a standard to refer to exported files at a double scale, and a way to differentiate it from 1X exports. Last, the format you would like to export the artboard. We find PNG, JPG, TIFF, and WebP for raster images, and for vector images, the formats PDF, EPS, and SVG. The latter are of great help when exporting icons, what we are going to do afterward. For the moment, we are going to select PNG format to export the entire artboard. Click on Export, then in the dialog box, select where you want to save the image. So our portfolio is exported and ready to be uploaded to TootPad. We can also export objects individually. To do so, select the background image of the header. Then, click on Export Image and select the most suitable format, in this case JPG, and hit Export. Guys, let's export the icons of the social networks. Select them and click on Export Layers. In this case, you'll need to select as SVG format. The problem is that SVP format doesn't work in all devices, especially in old computers, for which a PNG image would be more adequate. The good thing is that Sketch allows us to add another export format by clicking on the plus sign in the Export panel. So, we have this PNG, but we can change its properties like 1X and insert fallback in this field to indicate it's an emergency. It is, so that this format is used by those computers that can't run with SVG files. So, we can export the same objects with two formats. So now next to the icons appear a small knife which indicates this object will be exported independently. Well, this has been all about exporting. Export all your files to get them ready for the programming process. And see you in the last lesson to recap what we've learned so far.